Hi everyone, I'm Jessie. Welcome to my new video. Here I'm making a winter themed headboard for a single sized bed. For that I'm using 3 frames from a framed mirror. We need to separate the mirror and its backing board. Then I cut out a cardboard into the same size like the mirror and a smaller cardboard of the same shape. I'm marking the outline of the smaller cardboard. Then I'm using a 1-inch thick foam of the same shape. I'm using a regular kitchen knife to cut it out. Then I'm cutting out the center part of the foam like I'm showing here. Moving on to the next part, it's a 4-way stretchy velvet fabric which is of dark purple color. It is 5 cm wider than the center outline to the outer outline. The length can be any which can be managed later. Here I am attaching the fabric into the cardboard with the hot glue. We need to follow the outline which we marked previously. In between, I'm making some pleats. I'm not following a measuring unit for making the pleats, just making it as I like. Small pleats. Gather all the fabric into the center and use some glue to secure the foam into it. Then stretch the fabric slightly and bring it to the back part and secure it well. Here I am using another shade of purple color. Then I am using the small cardboard foam and follow the same way like I am doing here. Then we need to attach it to the center part. Moving on to the last part, fixing all together. Press it well into the frame and connect to the backing board. Then I've done the rest of the frames and it is a final look, an easy vintage style headboard. If you like the idea, please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and remember to share the video and thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.